Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI.
And I love Apple products for so many reasons. I feel like Apple products have a really good quality. And along with that, I also love how Apple is so careful and so detailed whenever they are designing a product. Like this phone has such a beautiful design. And as you can see, this phone has 3 cameras. These 3 cameras have the function of taking amazing pictures for you. And I like that although it has 3 cameras, these cameras look good on the phone. And I also like that if you take a look at the back of the phone, it just looks absolutely beautiful, and the edges have this metallic finish, which I also really love. And of course, one of my favorite features of this iPhone is precisely how it takes pictures. So you're able to take some pretty cool photos, some very good videos, and also you can take some portraits. And the assurance with these photos is that you know they will look good, and also that you can make some edits to even make them look more the way that you would like them to look. Also, there are many apps that come with Apple that are also super cool, and that is the reason why I love Apple.
And that is my point of view.